All right. So hopefully you learned a lot from both the quiz and the reading. I will make the statement that I cannot speak for other people on this topic. I'm literally just sharing the information that I get from articles and as much reading as I can that others can share their ideas. And you'll see one person will say one thing and then someone else is going to say something else. And this is why identity is so important, is because, I can't speak for all white women, right? Like, I can't speak for all white women. I can't speak for other cultures, other races, whatever. I cannot speak for any other person, unfortunately. So the most I can do is give you this information, and then you can take from it what you need in order to be more of a critical thinker and understanding those around you. So one thing that's important to understand with this is that the reality is that no one can really come to a consensus on big B, little b, or, when you're identifying, how are we identifying, black versus African American. And again, far more, this is one of the quiz's questions. Far more than a topographical change, the move is part of a generations old struggle over how best to refer to those who trace their ancestry back to Africa, right? And some people will argue, well, I'm not from Africa. I'm from, Jamaica. I'm from here. I'm from that. And so this is where, it's very important that we're mindful and respectful of how people want to be addressed. So hopefully this quiz and this reading gave you more of an insight. These are things that you are free to apply to research and our research papers, or whatever topic is you decide to go over. So, all right. Another BIPOC, I believe is how you call it. I want you to take a look at those readings and then do the quizzes as well. It's just important that there's also a side link to it about the one drop rule. You can take a look at that. Go ahead and do these quizzes really quick and then come back to me and we'll have a little bit more discussion.